Making a quick video here on SAB's quick release canopy knobs, um, HO714-S. I think everybody that flies SABs knows about these guys here, and you never really know if you haven't locked in really good. So these other guys, they came on, what was it? My Black Thunder, and I'm just like, I bet I can make those work on the Puma and the Raw 580. And sure enough, this guy on here. See the darn thing. Jeez, it's dark in here. So you basically pull a little pin here, little knob out, and it comes loose. And you push it in, and it locks in. So there's no way to get a false reading on whether or not your canopy's locked on good or not. So again, you need like the little bulge here for these to be able to work properly. I looked closely at the Raw 500. There's no room for it. So it works on the Puma. Let's go over here, and this is the 580. And got them on that guy right there too. Works perfect. Much quicker, I think, than and safer. Because these canopies are not cheap. Yeah, there's just no room and no protrusion on the 500 to get it on there. But this is that's what comes on the Black Thunder factory. All right, so check that out if you want a better alternative to holding on your canopies. Later.